Hi Year 3, welcome to your literacy video from Monday the 8th of June. So today you're going to see the pack that says Monday the 8th of June and make sure you've got literacy in front of you. So we're going to look at another word class today, another type of word, and we've done these before, so I think a lot of you will know what they are. We are looking at adjectives. Adjectives are words that we use to describe nouns. Now we know a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So today we're focusing on describing words. So have a look at this dog here. I've wrote some adjectives around to describe the dog. So I've got cute, he's ginger, fluffy, and he's playful. Now when I've got my adjective, that can come before or after the noun. So let's have a look at some of your activities for today. So on your sheet you might find something that looks like this. You've got an object, so I've got a pair of scissors, and then you've got three adjectives that could describe the pair of scissors. Some of them won't, so you need to pick the right one. So are the scissors soft, are they sharp, or are they yellow? If you said sharp, well done, so you tick the adjective you think is correct, because a pair of scissors are not soft, and these scissors are definitely not yellow. Moving on then, we've got an ice cream here. So for my adjectives, my describing words, I've got cold, furry, delicious. Which do you think? Might be one or it could be two. So if you think it was cold and delicious, well done, because they're describing words to describe my ice cream. Having a look at another one then. You might have some missing gap sentences that look like this. So first of all, you need to read your sentences very carefully. The something gem twinkled in the sunlight. And you'll have a box of adjectives and you need to pick the correct adjective. So the kind gem twinkled in the sunlight, or the sparkling gem twinkled in the sunlight. If you think it was sparkling, well done. So you can use the box to help you spell. Write in your neatest handwriting. So that must mean a kind nurse helped me to get better, because I've got the word kind describing the nurse, and we know a nurse is a person, that's the noun, and we know a gem is a thing, that's a noun. So the adjective describes the noun. Another activity you could have is find and copy the adjective. So you need to check your sentences carefully and you copy down the adjectives that you find. Another one, we've got circle the adjective. So you read your sentence carefully. Ted rode his red bike down the bumpy road. And I'm looking for describing words. So, I found a noun here, bike, because that's a thing. And I found a road, that's a noun. So I'm looking for things that describe them. A red bike. So I'm going to circle red because that's a describing word. It tells me that the bike is red. And bumpy. Tells me that the road is bumpy. It describes the road. Another one you could have pictures like this. And you need to look carefully at those pictures and have a think. How would you describe things in that picture? Would you describe it as spooky, loud, or gloomy? You need to write the correct adjectives under your picture. So we might say that this is spooky, so it looks a bit scary. It's not loud because I think it's on its own. There's no one there, so I don't think it's loud, but it does look very gloomy, quite dark. We have a look at another one of those. I've got a polar bear by an igloo. Is it cold? Is it bright? Is it yellow? Have a think. I'd definitely describe it as cold. There's lots of snow around. It's definitely bright, because the snow is reflecting the light, but I cannot see any yellow in that picture, so yellow wouldn't describe anything in that picture. Another activity you could have is where you've got a box of adjectives and it's your chance to show us what you can do. So you're going to include those adjectives in your sentences. So if I take the word brave, I need to think about what I could describe. So what's brave? A knight is brave. So I might write a brave knight saved the princess. I need a full stop at the end. Just check I've got my capital letter. So I've managed to use brave because I've described the knight, which is a person, the noun, as being brave. So good luck and think about describing words.